Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to download T-Life app on your device. So as we know that T-Life helps us to manage your account and configure your T-Mobile home internet gateway. So first thing, you need to click on the App Store, or if you are an Android user you need to simply go to your Play Store and you can download your app easily. So if you are an iOS user you can simply go to your Play Store and click on the App Store, and this is the very first home page of the App Store. And also you can see the options at the very bottom right. Search, there is the option called search at the very bottom right. After clicking on the search you can simply click the app you are in need of. So we can click T-Life app. After searching T-Life app you can get T-Life on the screen, and you can also see T-Life app is highlighted in color pink. And you can also, now you have to click on the option get, which is highlighted in color blue. After clicking on that you need to simply verify yourself to install your app. After clicking double side on your app, so you can simply verify yourself and download the app very easily. So this is the very simple option to download the app you are in need of. So hope this video helped you, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you.